Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to show you how to use the combination of the Easy Base and the Multi-Lift to lift a person off of the floor from a sitting position. Now we're going to do two videos here, so you'll see down in the notes field down below a second video showing how to do it from a person in a lying position. Okay, this should not be done without training support from Access Unlimited. So please, if you already own an Easy Base, do not attempt to do this without getting direct video conference training confirmed by our training department that you were able to do this successfully before attempting to do it. Okay, so you'll see that we have the sling set out here. You can actually put the sling in place later on. It's not really a requirement to have it all in place here, just for the convenience of the video. So my first step here is I'm going to take the sling and pull it up so that it's nice and snug on the bottom. Each of the leg tabs are at the same length. I lift the leg up. First step, I'm going to connect one of the legs to the center post on the spreader bar. Second, bring this over here. Now remember, you can move the lift, okay? So there's no need, no need to have that in that area right there. All right, and we're going to take this and connect that right up. Same thing here. A lot easier to bring the man to the mountain, or the woman as it may be, than it is to pull the strap. So just pull this right here, okay? Now we've got the person connected. We're going to put the legs in the all the way out position. All right. Make sure that you have the casters in the appropriate position right here. All right. We're going to raise. Once we get all the way up to the up position, we're going to slide the wheelchair underneath. And again, we're going to have a second video in the notes field. It's going to show you how to do this from a lying position. It's essentially done just about the same way, except there's a little technique to get the person to an upright sitting position if they are not able to do that by themselves. Okay, we've got sufficient clearance right now. All right, a little bit of upward pressure to get them a nice vertical angle as they sit. Lift moves easily out of the way. Once we've got the tension off the straps, I'm going to release those straps and pull the wheelchair out. And there you go. That's a floor lift. So again, we're going to show you check out the second video showing from a lying position. That's another benefit there, and another option for using the product. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at Access Unlimited, and we're on at AccessUN. Our YouTube channel has over 3,500 videos, most of them on the Multi-Lift at youtube.com/accessun. We're on Pinterest at Access Unlimited, and we're also on Instagram at Access Unlimited. Also, go to our website to inquire more information on our products, and that's accessunlimited.com. And if you want to give us a call the old-fashioned way, that'd be great too. Country code 1-607-669-4822. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 615-873-0518. Again, country code 1. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you like what you've seen, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.